Hello, my friends. How are you? This is a purchase from Five Below that I did this weekend. And most of these items are things that I'm going to be using to test them. All right, so I'm going to show you my unboxing of Five Below of this weekend. And by the way, they were renovating in the store that I was at. So it was a little crazy. All right, so let me check it out. All right, so these are stickers for a special little person. These watercolor pencils, I'll be testing it today. This one here, it's also for a special little person. These I'm going to be testing in a little bit. This is actually, I'm going to use some of these images to test the products that I just purchased. So, but they have really cute images, by the way. Check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out. Beautiful stuff. Okay. And these sketchbooks, I'm going to give one away. But these sketchbooks, I'm going to use them because I'm going to be in a 100-day art challenge. Yes, a 100-day art challenge online and Instagram. A lot of artists do this, teachers do this. So I'm going to be part of this. And these watercolor sketchbooks have about 27 sheets. But of course, I can use front and back. So I'm going to need you to check it out. And then the sturdiness of this paper is very good. It's pretty thick. I'm super surprised. And blue is my favorite color, but I found two blues and a cream because I couldn't find another blue one. But blue is my favorite color. So I am going to unbox the first sketchbook. So you check out what it is, and I'm going to try it. I'm going to take this out, and yes, you can actually design the cover if you want to, but I'm not doing that right now. All right, so I'm going to open up. I'm going to skip that first page and save that first page for later. And I am going to inspire myself, because that would be the word, inspire myself to draw something from here. And then, of course, so that I don't violate copyright laws, I am going to change it a bit. So let's see. Okay. All right. So I like this one here. This one is a water container. So I'm going to use the artist pens. I do not know if they run. Let me see. Different fine pens, brush. It does not say if it's washable. So we're going to check them out. And the box, it's pretty stuck. So I'm probably going to end up putting them in a little pouch or my little cup here. Okay. Let's take these little babies out. Oh, they are hard. Okay. All right. They're all stuck together. Okay. So let's see. I don't want the really thick one or thin one. So I'm going to pick the 0.6 pen, which is the middle section. And I am going to try to draw this. Okay, so let's just try it out. We'll change the picture a bit. All right, so, okay, so it's like a marker, but you have to like press on it. So they're probably okay to try, not to use for a long extended piece of time, but that's okay. I'm okay with that, Mrs. Sandine. I'm okay. I'm going to draw it. But I'm going to change it a bit. I'm going to actually put the little holes there because this one does not have little holes. Okay, I'm going to put the handle. I'm going to make the handle a little shorter and a little wider in the bottom. Okay, and I'm going to give it a different shape. So I change it a bit. You see that? All right, so I'm going to change the bottom. I am not going to keep it the same. And I am going to decorate it. You know me, I add patterns. I add patterns everywhere. So let's add a pattern here, which is a wavy line. A stripe with a wavy line. Okay, and then we are going to make our flowers slightly different. We're going to make like a rose type of flower, right? So I'm going to change it. You see what I'm doing, my friends? I get inspired by an idea, though I change it. Why? So that way that idea is partially mine, but not the whole thing. But I am inspired by other things. So I'm going to make one here. And change it, make levels of petals like this. Extra petals, extra petals, extra petals. And I'm going to add the stems, 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 stems. And instead of 4 or 5 leaves, I'm going to put 2 long ones. Change it a bit again. See that? All right, I'm going to add an extra one here. So instead of 4 over there, I'm going to add 5 over here. 5, 5, 5, 5. And extra a little layer of petals. Okay, all right. So I'm going to put the bottom, boom, boom, boom. Place it in a location. All right, okay. So now I am going to test, and these were artist pens, by the way, and I tested 0.6. Okay. And then the book was this book here, the sticker book, just for ideas. So the sticker book does not have colors, of course. So I am going to test this watercolor pencils to test them. I don't know how they will be, the truth. This is what the inside looks like, all these colors. All right, so let's see. Let's see. Okay, so we want the container. I want the I want the container yellow. So let's find these 2 yellows right here. I want the container yellow. So I am going to color the stripe first. You can hardly see the color. I have to press hard. See? I have to press hard inside the lines. Inside the lines. I'm going to press hard right here. Inside the lines. Inside the lines. Okay. All right. Now, this one here, I want to put some yellow, and later I'm going to put some orange, actually. So I'm going to color. Ooh, this is really nice. This is pretty bright. I like it. I like this one. Okay. So color it in, color it in, color it in. Color this part here. All right, and my camera sometimes moves. Sorry about that. Let me hold my camera so my camera does not move. Okay. Oh my goodness, the camera is moving. Okay. All right, so I have to hold the camera. So I can't hold the table, I have to hold the camera. It's okay. I'm going to color it in, color it in, color it in. Now, I'm going to mix some orange with yellow down here. So I'm going to softly color it in. Softly color it in. Okay. And I'm going to add some orange over and mix it. I'm going to mix this. All right. And my friends, what I want to do is I actually want to activate the watercolor part of this pencil. So we'll see in a moment. Okay, so I'm coloring it in. By the way, the colors are very bright. I really really enjoy these colors. Really do. I'm going to put a little bit more orange down here. I'm cross hatching. I have not put shadows yet. I just want to know how the watercolor works. Okay. Oops. So I am going to test with watercolors. I'm going to get a brush to see how this works, because these are watercolor pencils. So let's see. Let me see. Oh, the pen runs a little bit, so you have to be careful. So these pens are not washable, are not permanent. What I was gonna say, permanent. So, all right. So the watercolor does work. So I have to be careful. The watercolor does work. Let me see over here. Yep, it works nicely. Really nice. Really nice. Let me see. Okay, okay, okay. Very nice. Very, very nice. Oops, oops, it ran over there. Oopsie. Let's see here. See? All right, see, it ran a little bit there, but these watercolor pencils are super good. Super good. All right, my friends, thank you for watching. So remember, what really worked really well, the sticker pictures are great. The sketchbook, yay. The pens are good, but they're not great for putting watercolors next to them. They're great for drawing, yes. And then the watercolor pencils are fantastic. Adios.